Ever feels like no matter how hard you try, your words just don't seem to connect? Well, in this video, we will talk about easy communication and how you can turn your awkward moments into meaningful conversation. So, let's go. Listen more than you speak. First thing first, communication is a two-way street, and the secret is listening. When you listen carefully, you not only understand the other person better, but you also make them feel heard. It is the first step toward making the conversation smooth and easy. Be clear and simple. Do not overcomplicate things. Sometimes we try to sound fancy or use big words, but simplicity works wonder. Be clear to the point and don't try to impress because your goal is the only connection. Body language speaks louder than words. Remember, it's not just what you say, it is how you say it. Your body language speaks volume. A simple smile, eye contact, or relaxed posture, understanding making conversations feel smooth and easy. Be empathic. Empathy is the key. When you understand how the other person feels, your words have more weight. Try to put yourself in front of them and communicate in a way that resonates with them emotionally. This makes conversation feel natural and connected. Stay present. Lastly, be present. In this world full of distractions, just give someone your full attention and make a huge difference. Drop the phone, look them in the eye, and engage in the moment. That's how real communication happens. So, next time you talk to someone, remember, listen, keep it simple, use your body language, be empathic, and stay present. Easy communication is all about being genuine and connecting on a human level.